guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Devami Sonauni and today's video is about lehenga from scratch. The trailer you just watched, what do I tell you? I made all of those lehenga from scratch. Yes you guys, your girl made all of those lehenga. So my last lehenga from scratch video was liked by all of you. So thank you for all the love you shown. I have already told you guys that I have 2 weddings to attend this year. So for the first wedding I have made that lehenga, and second wedding it was my brother's wedding, and the lehenga from the first wedding was liked by all of my sisters. So they told me that please make lehenga for all of us. So yeah, I have made at least 10 lehengas for this wedding. I designed 10 lehengas for this wedding. Yeah, I have mentioned each and every detail in this video, so watch till the end of this video. So I'm gonna show you in detail 2 lehengas, my and my sisters. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. I didn't bought all the clothes from Diamond Hall. I bought the shop next to it. I'm gonna leave the shop detail in the description box below. But this is the shop name and this is the contact details. I went on Saturday and it was very crowded, so I couldn't able to film a lot. ये कितना बोला?
300.
दोनों 300. And all these I bought from this store. So I'm gonna show you one by one. So for this, you see it's a 300 rupees per meter, and for base I bought cotton material which is 60 rupees per meter, and for odni I also bought ready-made odni which is 240 rupees. Next is my lehenga. तो ये वाला है ये ब्लाउज का मटेरियल है विच इज़ 250 रुपीज़ पर मीटर. उसके लिए ये वाला कॉटन का बेस लिया है विच इज़ 60 रुपीज़, और ये वाला स्कर्ट का है विच इज़ 300 रुपीज़ पर मीटर, और बेस 60 रुपीज़, और इसके ऊपर ये ओढ़नी लिया हुआ है विच इज़ 240 रुपीज़. Then I went to my tailor and I had very long discussion about what is suitable for our lehengas, and we also discussed about box plate lehenga, flared lehenga and panel lehenga as known as kalidar lehenga. He showed me the box plate lehenga which wasn't looking good, so I went with the flared lehenga for my lehenga, and for my sister's lehenga we went with the panel as known as kalidar lehenga. Then he took measurements. Also guys, keep one thing in mind, always go 3-4 inches more for lehenga skirt if you are going to wear heels. Then I showed him pictures for reference that what I exactly want, and also we made some drawings to avoid confusions. For my blouse I wanted front neck to be simple and triangle back neck with the illusion of knot, and for my sisters we went with the tube blouse with a single lace strap.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving. In the heat from a hot California, I forgot how you looked like in rain. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving.
Thank you for watching, you guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, comment down below your favorite lehenga, and subscribe if you haven't already. For now, bye. See you in the next video.